everyone, I am Megan, also known as Megzy TDOG. Thanks for tuning in today. Today I'm going to be jumping into what I got in my January 2018 Ipsy Glam Bag. Just so you know, Ipsy is a makeup service where you receive a makeup bag, 5 makeup products, and shipping for just $10 a month. Alright, so I'm going to jump into the January 2018 Ipsy Glam Bag. This month's Glam Bag looks very sporty. It's royal blue mesh with a lime green and magenta ribbon in the middle to kind of cinch it all together. It's got a magenta zipper and then a lime green and magenta pulley. The inside is lime green. It's a really cute on-the-go sporty style bag. The Ipsy tag is right here. Super cute bag this month. So guys, it's time to jump into the bag and see what 5 items I received. So this is the Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm Lip Exfoliant. It is 8 milliliters. Trust Fund Beauty is vegan and cruelty free. Alright, so the package matches the box. I'm not going to try it on camera today. I might have this in a future makeup tutorial, but I'm not going to try it today. I know that Trust Fund Beauty is a really good brand. I've had some of their lip glosses, so I really like their makeup products overall. Let's see, product number 2. So now I have the Eye Artist Micronized Pigment Eyeshadow. This is from Absolute New York. They are also cruelty free. I'm going to go ahead and do a swatch of this. This is in the shade VIP. It comes with the eyeshadow pan and eyeshadow applicator. So this eyeshadow from Absolute New York is just a very coppery, kind of bronzy color. It's going to complement my skin tone a lot and complement my eyes. Very happy about this. This would be a good eyeshadow for me. Next up, this is a Vasanti Cosmetics Kajal Waterline Eyeliner in Intense Black. It's just your typical liner. There you go. It applies on very nice and black. It's not the darkest eyeliner. It smudges decently. Alright, I'm excited to try it. Give it a go. I don't really need any eyeliners right now. I'm overstocked on eyeliners, but I'll definitely be using it sometime soon. And like I said, it smudges pretty good, so I might be using this along with the Billie Joe Armstrong eyeliner from Kat Von D basket case, and I reviewed that in a previous video, so if you want to watch that, then check it out. But I might use the two together to give me like the ultimate smoky look. I've got the Oribe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo Shampooing Set. So this is just a dry shampoo. This is 43 milliliters. So the 4th product that I received is the Oribe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. I've been needing a new shampoo, a new dry shampoo. Last week I went to Marshall's and I got a Chi dry shampoo. And whenever I got home, I realized that somebody had broken off the cap. So I just spent $8 on a Chi product that did not work, so I was really upset. But now, I got this. Last but not least, the last product that I have. This is the NYX Professional Makeup Lingerie Lipstick. This is in Satin Ribbon. It's a really nude color. I'm honestly not a fan of nude lipsticks, really. The other day I put one on and I was just like, let me take this off because it looks gross. But I like NYX Cosmetics. They have really good prices and really good quality products. Alright, so again, this is in Lip Li07 Lip Satin. And this is the Lip Lingerie. There you go, a nice skin tone color. I'm gonna swatch it up here on my arm. It's a very pretty color, but you can't really see it on my skin tone. So I'm not too sure how much I'll wear this actual shade. It is very pretty, but I don't know if it's going to really do anything for me, if it's going to wash me out. So the last thing that I got from Ipsy is, of course, their postcard. This is the Game Face Glam Bag. This just tells you a little bit about the January Glam Bag and facts about how you have this year, how 2018 is your year. So, on the front it says, I will conquer. For me, I will conquer 2018. I'm not gonna let it kick me in the butt like I did last year. Thank you all for watching. Today I just did a quick unboxing of my January 2018 Glam Bag. I really hope you enjoy it. If you do, then make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be alerted when all my new videos are released. And thanks again for watching. Have a great day.